Hello everyone, so welcome to day 8 of our Halloween costume fun. So today we're going to be doing Blink from the Xmen series. So I'm kind of more focusing on the look from Xmen Days of Futures Past, but I also have a reference photo from one of the original comics as well. So I'm going to play with the difference between these two, so let me get a little bit. One and this one. Yeah, so alright, so let's get started. So as always, button down shirt, and we're gonna start with our headband. Get the hair out of the way. This one doesn't have a ton of face makeup, but I am gonna be spiking my hair up anyway, so this would be good to get my hair starting to get up there as well. There we go. A nice light layer till we get our shape. And something too that when I first started my little face paint journey, I never wanted to like wipe anything off. But really when it comes to, especially when you're working with brushes like these that are a little more thicker, you almost need to wipe because then you can get a more definite shape that you want. Play with that like kind of push and pull of like going a little bit farther, so now smooth it out. Don't like it. It must go. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist if you can't tell. By the way, I am doing the gender bend version. So I'm gonna make it as if Blink was a dude. Because I don't have a wig. Feel much better about that. Do I look menacing? Even though she's not. Well, the story in the comic books is really interesting. I just kind of did a little thing of her history where, so for those of you who don't know, Blink, she creates these like portals, and so at first, these portals, whatever she put through it just basically like shred up into nothing. So then she kind of had to like work on her powers, and then I guess in one of the episodes they were, or one of the comics, they were all captured, and she then created one of those portals to escape all of them, and I guess she got all of them out, but then she was like stuck in this like dimension where she was like trapped there. And I guess it was this girl who like knew about it and she didn't do anything about it, which is not cool. And then so then this evil chick was like, okay, I'm gonna go after her. So then she like hooks up with her, and then they're like doing all these bad things. And then after like once the good guys take her out, then they go and find Blink, and they like basically kind of like rekindle things. There's way more to the story, so I definitely like recommend that you just do a little YouTube search because it's a really interesting story, and I thought it was cool. Alright, so I think we are ready for some hair gel. Alright, so since Blink has kind of like this like mix of like this purple hair and it's almost like kind of highlights, at least the one in the most recent movie. So I think we're gonna play with some highlights. So I'm super excited to use this because I've never used purple hair gel before. Technically I think it's violet is the color. Yep, violet. But we're actually gonna start with the regular hair gel first because we're gonna kind of add it as highlights. So let's get started. But we're gonna play with it since we're kind of doing like our own version of Blink. We're gonna see how much violet we want to do because we might end up doing more. We'll see. Depends on how excited I am with the color, which I'm probably gonna be very excited. I think we're at a good spot to get some purple in. Okay, here we go. Super excited. Hair gel. Oh my god, this hair gel smells so freaking good. Okay, here we go. Just look at this color. Look at this color. Doesn't that look so cool? Let's get it in. Like this one strand of hair. No. We don't. Get up there. I'm really loving this color though. It's kind of not as much highlights, but I'm okay with that because I like how it looks. It's cool. Okay. Feeling pretty good about it. So now that we're in costume, what do you guys think? I really wish I could open a portal. If you could open a portal, where would you go? Let me know in the comments down below. So we're gonna take some photos, and I'm also going to Photoshop because they have Blink has some green eyes. So we're gonna be doing that. So stay tuned. But for now, let's get some photos. So, do you guys like this look? Let me know what you think. Do you like this gender bend of Blink? Do you have any ideas of what I should be for the next coming days? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you have a great Halloween and you're getting those ideas ready. It's coming up and it'll be here faster than you think. Hope you guys have a great day.